If you're over 65 and everyday things are starting to get more difficult, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be going over 30 innovative Amazon gadgets that will not only make your day-to-day easier, but also your life simpler. From comfy gadgets to useful inventions to alleviate arthritis, you're sure to find something you like. And be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last gadget is a game changer. First up is the Flipper Big Button Universal TV Remote. Losing control of your TV due to complicated remotes? The Flipper Big Button Universal TV Remote is a user-friendly remote designed specifically for seniors or individuals with dementia. It simplifies controlling the TV with just a few large, easy-to-press buttons and eliminates confusion with unnecessary features. This remote is perfect for anyone who wants an uncomplicated way to enjoy their favorite shows. It's pre-programmable and works with most TVs, cable, and satellite boxes, making it a stress-free solution for everyday entertainment. Next up is the Smart Pill Dispenser Machine. Managing medication schedules can be overwhelming, especially for seniors or individuals with memory issues. Say goodbye to missed doses with this innovative solution. The Smart Pill Dispenser Machine is an automatic, app-enabled device that organizes, monitors, and dispenses pills on a set schedule. It's perfect for anyone dealing with multiple medications, ensuring accurate dosing and peace of mind. With easy setup and customizable alerts, this device simplifies medication management while providing caregivers with remote monitoring capabilities. Compact and user-friendly, it's a game-changer for health management. On our number 3 spot, we have the large magnifying glass with light. Make reading small print or inspecting details effortless with this must-have gadget. The large magnifying glass with light is a handheld tool with powerful magnification and built-in LED illumination. Perfect for seniors, hobbyists, or anyone who needs extra help seeing fine details. It combines convenience and clarity. Whether you're reading books, working on crafts, or examining intricate objects, this magnifier ensures you can see with ease and precision. Moving on to our 4th gadget, we have the Folding Walking Cane. Get the support and stability you need wherever you go. Designed with a pivoting base, adjustable height, and lightweight construction, the folding walking cane ensures you can navigate with ease and confidence. Its foldable design makes it perfect for travel and storage. Perfect for seniors or anyone needing extra mobility assistance, this cane provides reliable support while being easy to carry and store. The number 5 gadget on our list is the plug-in NightLight with motion sensor. Never stumble in the dark again. This motion-activated NightLight illuminates your path automatically with adjustable brightness settings, ensuring safety and convenience during late-night trips. Say goodbye to fumbling for switches and hello to effortless lighting with this must-have gadget for hallways, bathrooms, and bedrooms. At number 6, we have the nectTech Foot Massager. Tired of sore and aching feet after a long day? The nectTech Foot Massager provides deep kneading massage therapy with soothing heat to relieve tension and improve circulation. It's compact, easy to use, and adjustable for different foot sizes and comfort preferences. Perfect for seniors or anyone seeking relaxation, this foot massager brings a spa-like experience into the comfort of your home, making it an ideal addition to your self-care routine. Next up is the automatic card shuffler. Tired of uneven card shuffling disrupting your game nights? Say goodbye to manual shuffling frustration. The automatic card shuffler is an electric device designed to quickly and efficiently shuffle cards with the press of a button. It's perfect for seniors, individuals with limited hand strength, or anyone who wants fair and easy shuffling. Lightweight and portable, this gadget is ideal for poker, bridge, or family game nights, ensuring everyone gets back to the fun without any hassle. At number 8, we have the Big Button Corded Phone. Designed for easy dialing, the Big Button Corded Phone features large, clearly labeled buttons and an amplified speaker for crystal clear calls. Ideal for seniors or individuals with impaired vision or hearing, this phone ensures staying connected is effortless and frustration-free. It also includes a hands-free speakerphone option for added convenience. Next up is the 5-in-1 MultiFunction Bottle Opener. Struggling to open stubborn bottles or jars? This handy gadget has you covered. Designed with versatility in mind, the 5-in-1 multifunction bottle opener features an ergonomic grip, making it easy to open jars, bottles, cans, and more. Perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone seeking convenience in the kitchen. This opener is a must-have tool for effortless daily use. The number 10 gadget on our list is the Sunbeam Royal Ultra Fleece Heated Blanket. Stay cozy and warm all winter long. This ultra-soft heated blanket features multiple heat settings and an auto shutoff for safety, helping you relax and unwind in complete comfort. Say goodbye to chilly nights and hello to luxurious warmth with this must-have addition to your bedding. At number 11, we have the OneTouch electric can opener. Struggling to open cans due to arthritis or limited hand strength? The OneTouch electric can opener is an automatic battery-operated device that makes opening cans effortless. With just one press of a button, it smoothly cuts through lids without leaving sharp edges. This gadget is a lifesaver for seniors or anyone with hand mobility challenges, offering convenience and safety in the kitchen. Next up is the large digital alarm clock. Struggling to see the time clearly? Say goodbye to small, hard-to-read displays. The large digital alarm clock features an oversized LED display, making it easy to check the time at a glance. It's perfect for seniors, individuals with vision challenges, or anyone who values convenience. With adjustable brightness, dual alarms, and a sleek design, this clock stands out as a practical and stylish addition to any bedroom. At number 13, we have the M-Combo Electric Power Lift Recliner Chair. This luxurious recliner features power lift assistance, massage and heat functions, and adjustable positions for ultimate comfort. Perfect for seniors or anyone with mobility challenges, this chair combines functionality with indulgence, ensuring relaxation and ease in your daily routine. It's the ultimate addition to any living room. Next, we have the Audien Aom2 hearing aid. Get back to hearing the world around you with crystal clarity. Designed with wireless technology, rechargeability, and a discreet, nearly invisible fit, the Audien Aom2 hearing aid ensures superior sound quality without the bulk. Perfect for seniors or anyone with hearing challenges, this device helps you stay connected to conversations and sounds that matter most. The number 15 gadget on our list is the Drive Medical Rolator Walker. Regain your mobility and independence with this reliable walker. This rollator features a sturdy frame, removable back support, and a comfortable seat, helping you stay active and confident. Say goodbye to mobility challenges and hello to effortless movement with this essential aid for seniors or anyone with mobility issues. And if you want to know the latest prices of the gadgets mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. At number 16, we have the IHealth Track Smart Blood Pressure Monitor. Monitoring your blood pressure shouldn't be complicated. The IHealth Track Smart Blood Pressure Monitor is a Bluetooth-compatible device that pairs with your smartphone to track and store your readings. It features a clear display, one-touch operation, and smart data analysis. This device is perfect for seniors or individuals managing hypertension, making health tracking simple and accessible. Next up is the Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Keeping track of oxygen levels and heart rate shouldn't be a hassle. Say goodbye to guesswork with this compact tool. The Fingertip Pulse Oximeter is a lightweight, battery-operated device that provides accurate readings in seconds. It's perfect for seniors, athletes, or anyone managing respiratory or cardiovascular conditions. With its easy-to-read LED display and portable design, this oximeter offers reliable health monitoring right at your fingertips. On our number 18 spot, we have the Foldable Electric Scooter. Enjoy mobility and independence with this lightweight, foldable scooter designed for convenience and style. The foldable electric scooter offers long-lasting battery life, easy portability, and a smooth ride. It's perfect for seniors, commuters, or anyone who values easy transportation with minimal effort. Whether you're running errands or exploring outdoors, this scooter delivers a safe, reliable, and comfortable experience. Moving on to our 19th gadget, we have the Blink Video Doorbell. Get peace of mind with the ability to see who's at your door anytime and anywhere. Designed with HD video, motion detection, and two-way audio, The Blink Video Doorbell ensures you can monitor your home and communicate with visitors directly from your smartphone. Perfect for seniors or anyone wanting added home security, this doorbell is easy to install and gives you 24/7 control over your home's front door. The number 20 gadget on our list is the Skylight digital picture frame. Cherish your memories in a modern way. This digital frame allows you to display and share photos instantly via Wi-Fi, keeping you connected with loved ones no matter the distance. Say goodbye to static photo albums and hello to a dynamic, ever-changing display of your favorite moments. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because these next 10 gadgets are must-haves. At number 21, we have the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Hate wrestling with stubborn can lids? The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener is a handheld device that automatically opens cans with just 2 taps. Its ergonomic design and safety features make it a must-have for hassle-free cooking. Ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone who values ease in the kitchen, this gadget ensures you can open cans effortlessly and safely. Next up is the Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. Dealing with neck and back pain after a long day, say goodbye to tension and discomfort. The Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager uses deep kneading massage technology to relieve soreness and improve circulation. It's perfect for seniors or anyone seeking a relaxing solution for aches and muscle stiffness. With its ergonomic design, adjustable intensity, and optional heat feature, this massager delivers a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home. At number 23, we have the digital clock with voice. This smart clock not only displays time and date, but also includes voice reminders for appointments, medication, and more. Ideal for seniors or individuals with memory challenges, this clock provides a clear, audible way to stay on top of daily tasks. Its user-friendly design ensures it's an invaluable companion for simplifying routines. Next up is the Underdesk Elliptical Exerciser. Stay active even while seated with this compact fitness gadget. Designed with a smooth gliding motion and adjustable resistance levels, the Underdesk Elliptical Exerciser allows you to improve circulation and maintain mobility while working or relaxing. Perfect for seniors or anyone looking to stay fit from the comfort of their chair, this exerciser makes staying healthy, easy, and convenient. The number 25 gadget on our list is the 3-in-1 folding treadmill. Stay fit and active without leaving the house. This multifunctional treadmill combines running, walking, and under-desk exercise options, helping you achieve your fitness goals with ease. Say goodbye to gym trips and hello to convenient at-home workouts with this versatile fitness machine. At number 26, we have the Red Light Therapy Face Mask. Want to rejuvenate your skin without leaving home? The Red Light Therapy Face Mask uses near-infrared light to promote skin health and reduce signs of aging. It's portable, easy to use, and comes with a remote control for added convenience. This gadget is perfect for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine, offering professional quality results in the comfort of your own home. Next up is the Denture Cleaner. Struggling to keep your dentures or retainers spotless? Say goodbye to manual scrubbing. The Denture Cleaner is an ultrasonic cleaning device that removes stains and buildup with minimal effort. It's perfect for seniors or anyone using dentures, retainers, or other oral appliances. Compact and easy to use, this gadget ensures thorough cleaning in minutes, leaving your dentures fresh and sparkling clean every day. At number 28, we have the Levo Core Mini Air Purifier. Compact yet powerful, this air purifier removes allergens, odors, and pollutants, ensuring a healthier indoor environment. Perfect for seniors or anyone sensitive to air quality, this purifier is whisper quiet and energy efficient. It's the perfect addition to any room for fresher, cleaner air. At 29, we have the Dream Sky Portable Radio. Stay connected to news, music, and emergency broadcasts wherever you are. Designed with excellent reception, a built-in speaker, and a compact design, the Dream Sky Portable Radio ensures you can enjoy your favorite stations on the go. Perfect for seniors or anyone who appreciates the simplicity of traditional radios, this portable device is lightweight and easy to use, making it a timeless addition to your gadget collection. Finally, we have the adjustable bed wedge pillow. Elevate your comfort to a whole new level. This adjustable wedge pillow offers customizable incline options, providing relief for back pain, acid reflux, and snoring. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to restful sleep with this ergonomic and supportive pillow. And there you have it. We hope these 30 gadgets are exactly what you've been looking for to make living your life much easier. And if you want to know more about gadgets to help with arthritis, then click this next video. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.